Hello everyone who watched this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to make my unusual hair trim pattern. As you know, I like trims. In this case I use different colors. This is the right side. Now I turn upside down. My pattern has 8 hairs. So it means each row has 2 of them. In this case I used thin yarn. Here's how it looks. This is front side, and let's take a look at the back side. Pattern consists of 7 stitches. Now I show you, here is my 7 stitches. Pattern has 4 rows. In my case, I will use pink color of yarn, and crochet hook is 3 millimeters. Let's make trims. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till you will get 25 chains. I have done the foundation chain. My foundation chain consists of 25 chains. Now chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make double crochet. Then double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done a row of double crochet. I don't include this row into the main pattern. Continue. Chain 2 to bring up the yarn and turn the work. Yarn over the hook. We skip the first stitch and make front post double crochet. Then back post double crochet, and let's count. 2, 3. This is the front post double crochet. 4. Make back post double crochet. 5. Front post double crochet. 6. Back post double crochet. 7. Front post double crochet. 8. Continue. It is going to be the 8th stitch. Make 2 back post double crochet around the next stitch. Make the first one. It will be back post double crochet together. Make the first one. I do not finish this stitch. Make the second back post double crochet around the same stitch. We have 3 loops on the hook and pull through. Make front post double crochet 1, back post 2, front post 3, front back post double crochet 4, 5 front post double crochet, 6 back post double crochet, front post double crochet 7 and make back post double crochet 2 together. First one, make the second one and pull through all loops on the hook. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row together. This is the first row of the main pattern. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch away from the double crochet, chain 2, turn the work, here is my stitches. It is going to be a base for trim pattern. Let's make the second row. Make back post around the back post and front post around the front post double crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. Here is my stitch. Let's make the trim. Now yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the first stitch. Take the working yarn, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. In total it should be 5 strings. 1, make the second one, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 loops on the hook. I turn the work, yarn over the hook and work with the second stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops at once. The first trim heart is ready. My trim is done. Continue working on this row. Make back post around the back post, front post around the front post. Make back post and front post. Back post double crochet and front post double crochet, back post double crochet, Let's make trim heart. Then you should continue working by yourself. I have done 2 hearts. This is the second row of the main pattern. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Make half double crochet. Let's repeat again. The row is ready. Begin the third row. For this, chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. Make front post around the front post double crochet, then back post around the back post double crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. Let's make front and back posts till the heart. Here is my trim. Make back post double crochet. Then front post double crochet. And so on. I have done the third row. Let's complete this row together. Work with the second chain stitch. Make half double crochet into this chain stitch. Then chain 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work. This is the front side of the pattern. Let's make 1 row of front post and back post double crochet. Make back post double crochet, then front post double crochet, back post double crochet, make front post double crochet. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete row 4 with me. Work with the second chain stitch and make half double crochet, then chain 2. Let's stop here and look. I have done the first piece of the pattern. I remind you, my pattern consists of 7 stitches and has 4 rows. And in this case, I add 1 row of double crochet. Then I'm going to work with new piece of my pattern. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. As you notice, we're working on the back side. Let's make front post double crochet, 1, back post double crochet 2, 3 front post double crochet, 4 back post double crochet, 5 front post double crochet, 6 back post double crochet, 7 front post double crochet, and now then back post 2 together. Here is my trim and I'm going to work with back post 2 together on the top of this stitch. Make back post double crochet 2 together. First one, make the second one and pull through. Then front post and so on. The base for the heart is ready. Here how it looks. Then you should continue working in this way as many times as you need. I have done my pattern twice. It means I did 8 rows plus 1 row of double crochet. In this case I have got 4 heart trims. In this case I used silk yarn. For this pattern you need to know how to crochet front post and back post double crochet. This is front, and let's take a look at the back side. In this case I used thin yarn and my pattern has 9 hearts. Let's look at the third example. For this pattern I used different colors. For this pattern I used different color of yarns. I turn upside down for more beautiful look. This is front side. This pattern you can use to create headband, brim part of the head, or just for the blouse. Or as example, you can create a scarf. Let's take a look at the back side. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, write comments below the video, and crochet with me. Thanks for watching.